Another requested recipe. I'm gonna walk you right through it. Come on and let's get started.
Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Now, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up. Share. There's always something good going on my channel. Now, let's talk about our pork chops that we are going to be using. That is 3 pounds of pork chops, and you want to make sure that you wash your pork chop nice and clean. Lemon juice and vinegar is awesome for cleaning your meat, and that is 3 pounds. Now, to make this dish really tasty and unique in its own way, I'm going to add tomato. Lots and lots of tomatoes that you're going to need. I probably have about 8 tomatoes in that container. I'm going to be using my green seasoning, and the link for the green seasoning will be down below to show you how to make your own green seasoning in your kitchen. Now I'm going to be adding some bell peppers. I choose green bell peppers. You could choose any color, but green is what I choose to go with. Now I'm also going to be adding salt and black pepper. I have in that container all-purpose seasoning, and I have my beef season also added to that. Now, to give it an extra notch, you're going to need cayenne pepper and paprika. You're also going to need honey to give it that sweet, tangy taste. If you don't want to use honey, you could go maple syrup, or you could use brown sugar. All right, that works just. Now, to kick it up an extra boost of flavor, you're going to need pimento seed. You can call it allspice, but it's pimento seed, we call it in Jamaica. Now, I'm going to add some soy sauce. Don't use browning for this recipe. It's going to throw it off, because the soy sauce is going to give it a different kind of flavor. Now, I'm also going to be adding my vinegar. You could use apple cider vinegar. You could use any kind of vinegar that you have in your kitchen. Is just perfect. Come on and let's get started. Now, let's get started with the very first thing that you need to do to make the meanest pork chops in your kitchen, my version, my way. Now, I have my green seasoning right there that I've made at home. You want to add your salt and black pepper to it, all-purpose seasoning and beef seasoning, cayenne pepper and paprika. And all I'm going to do is mix this together. All I'm going to do here is go ahead and add that good seasoning on top of that pork chops, and you just want to rub that into your meat and make sure every piece of meat get that good seasoning that you got going on there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wrap that up, put it away. I'm just going to put it on top of my countertop for about a good half an hour to 1 hour, and then I'm going to go ahead and start cooking. Now, I have my pot on the fire right there, and I'm going to go ahead and add some cooking oil in here. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of oil you had, just add some oil. Now, when that gets nice and hot, you want to go ahead and put your meat in. Now to that, I'm going to put my pimento seed in here, because I want my pimento seed to fry up with the meat and give it extra flavor. Also going to add my apple cider vinegar, some soy sauce, and I'm going to add my honey. I'm going to go ahead and turn that meat over. And we're going to cook this for a total of about 15 minutes. Okay, so now that my meat is the color that I want it to be, I'm going to go ahead and remove those from the pot. Now, in that pot is a lot of goodness. So we're going to add our tomatoes in here, and our green bell peppers, and the rest of the seasoning that you use to marinate the meat with. You're going to go ahead and add it to the vegetables. Just now remember guys, all that good yummy tasteful flavor is still in the bottom of the pot. So go ahead and add some water to it. And you're going to cook this for about 15 minutes. Now, after 15 minutes of cooking, you're going to take this off the heat. Now, back on your fire is your same pot. You're going to go ahead and add some butter into that pot. And then you add your meat back in here. Now you're going to go back in and add your good flavored goodness on top of that. Now, make sure you fire up on medium heat now. You're going to cover this up. Don't put nothing else on it. Nice and tight. Don't overcook this thing, because if you overcook the meat, it'll go tough. You're going to cook this for nothing past 25 minutes. Cover it up nice and tight, 25 minutes, and we'll be right back. It'll go done and ready to go up on a plate. Looky, looky, looky. Are you still watching? I hope you subscribe. And I'm going to show you how to make the rice and peas that's going to go for this recipe. The link for that will be down below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe and press the notification bell for all my new uploads. Like, share, thumbs up. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.